All right, more practicing of division. So you're just going to do normal daddy, mommy, sister, brother, rover for these. Um, I'm only going to do a couple with you because it's the same thing that we did in the last assignment, but I want to do one and show you kind of a trick that they're trying to pull on you. So I'm going to do number 6 here because it's a 4-digit divisor, or yeah, 4-digit dividend and 1-digit divisor. So when I look at this, normally on the ones that we've done so far, you can divide this into the first digit, and you can't on a lot of these. So like 6 won't go into 5, 5 won't go into 3, 4 won't go into 2. So what you have to do now is you actually have to look at the first 2 digits together. So if 6 won't go into 4, you could put a 0, but remember with whole numbers, if you start it with a 0, you don't need it. You need to put a 0 everywhere you can't do anything. So I could put a 0 here, but like I said, at the beginning of the number, it doesn't really need to be there. So what I'm looking at is how many times does 6 go into 45? So I know 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 more would be 42. So that's 7, and that would be 6 times 7 is 42. Sister subtract, that's 3, bring down to 2. 6 goes into 32 5 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Minus is 2. Bring down the 7. 27. 6 times 4, 12. 24 is 24. And then I have a remainder here of 3. Remainder 3. Now, see how I said I could put a 0 here, but 754, if I put a 0 before the 754, it doesn't do anything. So you don't need to put the 0 in the very beginning. What I do want you to see, though, is down here at the bottom, 12, 13, and 14, they're just trying to trick you with the equals Q, equals S, equals Y. Don't pay any attention to it. Basically, what you just need to do is solve the problem. So 232 divided by 8. Q will be your answer because it says equals Q. That's your answer. Your answer is Q. So if 8 doesn't go into 2, 8 goes into 23 2 times, which is 16. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Bring down the 2. 8 times 8 is 64. 64. So 8 times 8 is 64. 8. Oh, no, it is. It's 9. Oops. If it's the same number, it means it's exactly one more. So 8 times 9 is 72, which is 0. No remainder. So now Q equals 9, because there's your answer. It's 9. So 29. All right, and that's what you're going to do, 3 through 14. Real simple.